Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Google account. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to sign out from any device quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, it is important to know where do you want to log out of your Google account. Are you trying to log out of your Android phone entirely, or you just want to log out from a specific browser like Google Chrome? So if you're using an Android phone and you want to log out of your Google account, you will need to remove the account from your device. So go to your settings. Now in the settings, look for the options Accounts and Backup. Depending on your device, it might also be listed as Manage Accounts, Users and Accounts, or simply Accounts. So click on it, and here you will see all the accounts linked to your device. So find the Google account you want to log out, and now you will see this option of Remove Account. Tap on it. Now click on Remove Account to confirm your choice, and this will log you out of that Google account on your device. And now if you only want to log out from your Google Chrome or any other browser, the process is quite similar. So go to your Google Chrome browser. Now tap on this profile picture or the initial at the top right corner, and you will land on screen like this. Here you can see we have this option of Google account. Click on it. After that, you will see these options. So choose this Manage Account on this device. And now from here, you can simply click on the account that you want to log out and then tap on Remove Account. And you will be logged out of your Google account in that browser. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.